first week it was at sailing school with Captain Jack Yeager. We learned so much from him on our boat. Now, we get back to the marina, we wash up the boat, have a few laughs, then we pack everything up to go pick up our girls. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy. So, we are loading up the truck right now. Our Captain Jack Yeager, he actually bought a truck, and we're about to load it up right now so we can get down south. And we got to cancel the rental, so since he bought a truck, so we're going to take this down, take the Prius down. Right now I got to figure out how to load everything up, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to get in the back. What you got there? Got it.
Car.
One for the cow?
Yes.
Which car do you want to put it in? The truck or the car?
Yes.
The truck? Okay. Let's put it in there. Yep. Maggie's going to lay right there, so.
Where?
Right there, yeah. Hey, Maggie. Need some water. Let's get you some water. Oh, yeah.
Eat every boat.
She's the sweetest.
He'll personally.
They're gonna never get the special treatment.
Little bitty babies, and then you got some older babies. You're like a fresh baby.
I love that attitude. I love those eyelash. Look at the babies. That's, oh, Mama, he reminds me of Elvis. He looks like Elvis. Wow.
You want to feed them? Watch the barbed wire, okay? Maggie, come here.
Go see Daddy.
Come here, Mag. Hey.
Look at the baby.
Ready, Maggie? Yeah, get on out. What do y'all think?
Y'all excited?
Yes.
There's the boat.
How do we get on it?
There's our
Step. There you go.
Please don't kill my
Step. There you go.
It is. You want to throw it in the water?
Huh?
Oh, man.
You turned the air on already?
Yeah, air's on.
These are the sugar scoops. This is how the ducks get on the boat.
That's where the ducks sit.
This is the dinghy. That's our little boat, just like our little car. You can walk up here. Normally we wouldn't wear shoes, but today we are.
Got this way, Maggie. Come on. Go up there. Go up there, Mag. Come on. Come on.
Can I walk there? Hey, baby. But doggy.
You can sit right there on the cushion.
What do y'all think?
Come on down here, Lola. Come get on the trampoline.
Watch your step.
I'm guessing this is a bathroom. Oh, and it's a house.
Yeah, Dad's got to fix that because he left it like it. So, good times.
Is this your bed?
This is a bed.
My bed! It's a top of the bed!
And this is a little Ford Peak that we were talking about. It's like a reading nook for y'all.
Whose stuff is this?
It's y'all's.
No boxes?
No, put it up though right now.
And there's a door on it.
This is not where y'all are gonna sleep though. Y'all are gonna sleep on the other side.
A bathtub?
Yeah, that's where we take. That's where you take a shower.
Or outside. We have a shower outside too.
Whose bed is this?
This is y'all's.
We have a TV.
Yeah, I don't know how we use it, but we have it.
What's that? Mama?
That is coolant for the transmission.
What is it?
Transmission coolant.
It's engine coolant.
Engine coolant.
It's coolant, period.
This is where we'll shower unless you're outside showering. You want on the bed? Try it out. Right. Sure. You're
Solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. The engine's underneath here.
Yep.
That?
You ready to look at the other side?
See the other side? She's thirsty.
Okay.
All right, Lola, follow Daddy.
Okay. You slobber everywhere.
Yeah, that's fine. So that's the kitchen.
Going with Daddy? Call her. See if
All right.
she wants to go.
All right, come down here.
Maggie, you can go too, baby. Do you want to go? Go on, Mag.
And then there's a bathroom in there.
This is where you do your #1 business, right here.
Okay, I'm glad it's not the #2 because I wouldn't go
No.
there.
And that's why it doesn't. And that's why it doesn't smell.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta figure that out today.
Well, I know what's wrong with it.
Huh?
I know what's wrong with it.
The liquid.
Mhm.
Yeah. That's good to know. Easy fixed.
Oh, because it goes down into
Anyways, do you
All right.
want to see the other one?
Yeah, come on.
There you go, baby.
I'm as tall as this.
These are the extra 2 bedrooms on this side. And this is our laundry room. This is where all our dirty clothes are right now.
What's that blue stuff on there? Monkey!
Blue stuff.
What is that?
Clay that we need to get back and a microphone that was left here that's not ours. Okay.
Connect your MP3 player.
So this is it.
Whose clay is this?
What you think?
His daughter.
Good. Yeah. Hi. I see the boat.
Yeah, the outside of the boat.
Now do the other one.
Bit of a problem. Hopefully we can find a spot for everything. But yeah, all of that. Plus I got 2 kids and a dog in there that we have to have a spot for. Oh, there's a couple more things right there too. A couple more things right there. And I think we got 3 more bins. So. How's it going? How is the cleaning up? It
The
is.
kitchen's looking good.
It is. Let's see what you got. Oh, I'm working on all this. Maggie's sleeping. It's looking better.
Slowly but surely, right?
That's right. After just a couple of days, the girls definitely showed that they were ready for boat life, especially Maggie. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.